everyone, welcome back to another first-time reaction video, the Real Rant Review. We're here with you, and I got a special guest, Rachel Rants. Rachel, say hi.
I'm not excited about this one, guys. Not excited about this one, guys.
No, she's not excited about this one, unfortunately. But this is Rachel Rants' first-time reaction to Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1974. It's an hour and 23 minutes. We're going to jump right into this first-time reaction. Rachel is not to be on cam due to the queasiness that might be involved here in the film. So let's just try to get through this. Let's go. Rachel, you ready?
Nope.
Rachel is not ready, everybody. Let's see what she's got. She said no. We're going to turn it up. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so they're explaining. This is like Star Wars, but bad. First time reaction. Rachel Rants over here watching it for the first time.
I already feel.
But this is beginning here. We're getting right into it. There's some sounds here, Rachel. What do you think that sound is?
Oh God. Oh gosh. I don't even like this sound.
Is it coming for you, Rachel? Rachel? Oh, she just saw something.
Come on.
You see what we see, everybody.
No, I'm gonna puke.
Rachel's saying she's gonna puke. She's losing it already. Wow, we're seeing some nails here.
They're Rants.
This opening is Rants is she's begging for Rants to stop this madness. But by the end of this film, they will be begging to stop this madness. What do you think about that music, Rachel?
I'm not feeling so good.
Try that.
We might need to stop soon. I'm telling you, for nauseous.
Pause?
I don't know. Yeah, pause it.
Alright, so they pitch up this hitchhiker here. Rachel Rants had to go puke, so we're back here. What?